Hey Geminis, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be your reading for October 15th to the 31st, and if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. I'll first look at the current situation, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Also, while watching this, please remember these are general readings. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Alright? A small tip to understand if this reading is resonating. I look at the current situation. So if the current situation is matching, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Alright? So let's see what's going on with you, Geminis. What's going on with Geminis? Page of Wands, Eight of Cups, Seven of Wands, and the Two of Swords. Okay, something has ignited your spirit from inside. A person, a situation. But then I think you could be bogged down by responsibilities and you have to put an end to a particular situation. Okay, I feel that you want to do this. You want to walk towards that ignition. That's something that has sparked you, or that's something that has, made you feel happy. But then I see some people standing right away in front of you that, how can you do this? How can you leave us? Something like that. Or how can you leave this? So, a little similar to the... no, there's a difference. I mean, basically, I see that you're being emotionally a bit blackmailed / you think that people will emotionally blackmail you, and that's putting you at a crossroads. I can see. That's confusing you. You don't know. I'll just clarify this. Eight of Cups and Seven of Wands. Yeah, I think this new situation is what makes you feel happy and passionate from inside, but then there are other obstacles that are stopping you from walking on this path. Now, this could be your own inner conflicts and confusion, or this is just there. However, I see that you know that this is the most balanced connection that you would ever get in your life. Okay, you know this, but then the whole idea of embracing it fully is a little bit tough for you. Okay? Now, if this resonated, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days here. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Six of Swords, Death, Seven of Swords, again Page of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. So I see you being able to figure out what is missing in your life. You actually know what is missing in your life, okay? And you want to walk towards a clean slate. You want to stop the whole hide and seek and just move towards something that excites your spirit from inside. And you don't want to feel this way. It's like I see that you look at certain people and you envy them, okay? You want to get rid of that feeling, and you want that same feeling in your life. It's like you look at it from outside, you see these people and you're like, why can't I have this in my life? So you are kind of seeing that, okay, through this particular dream or this situation, I can be on the other side of the story, which I used to envy, basically, okay? I see that you want to go in that direction. You want to move in that direction, and I see you taking some steps. Yeah. I see you taking some steps towards that direction. But yeah, you could be a little fearful also that maybe you might be... It's like a gamble at this point for you. You don't know if this person is or this situation will embrace you fully or not. So you are also kind of deciding, but yeah, your heart is asking and telling you that, you should walk on this path. That's what I'm seeing. Okay? Now let's see what is the guidance for you here, Gemini. Guidance for you here. Okay. Wait. We are making events fall into place in perfect timing for a happy and peaceful outcome. Everyone would benefit if you'd wait and not rush into action. Care less of what others say. They might not have wrong intentions, but they haven't experienced what you have. They aren't in your shoes. Don't let them influence your judgment. Invest your energies wisely. Your body can very well sense other people's energies, good or bad. Okay, so just kind of be a little vigilant about whose opinion are you valuing so much. Okay, be a little vigilant over there. That's all. But yeah, I feel you're at this place for a reason, so that, things get sorted out for you. Okay? Alright, so that's what I have for you, Gemini. I hope this reading helps you and helps you get the clarity that you're seeking. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram, one for tarot and one for crystals. So the link is given in the description box below, so you can check that out. And you can follow it if you want to. And I do daily energy check-ins on my Instagram, just in case if you're interested. Okay? Alright, so talk to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye.